Hey, it's Randy and welcome back to another video. Now it seems like every company is coming up with really clever ways to utilize AI within their workflow. So here are a few ways that you can utilize ChatGPT as a voice actor. Number 1, improv prompts. Now, improv is such an important skill for voice actors, especially for those who are working in character work, so things like animation or narration. So ChatGPT can be your improv partner. It can create spontaneous dialogue responses or full scenes, and then you can act along with those scenes in real time. Let's act out a scene. I will be playing a young man looking to rent a room in a house in New York City from you, a disgruntled elderly man with broken English. And let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Scene, a young man looking to rent a room in New York City. The stage is set in a small, dimly lit room. The young man, Mark, knocks on the door and it creaks open. This disgruntled elderly man, Mr. Johnson, peers out with a scowl on his face. Mr. Johnson, gruffly, "Who is it? What do you want?" Mark, "Good evening, sir. My name is Mark and I saw your advertisement about a room to rent. I'm interested in checking it out. Is it still available?" Mr. Johnson, squinting, "You want a room?" So this is going in real time here, and you can see just how quickly this is going to create this scene. And just remember, you can add any parameters that you would like, whether it's like, I want the scene to be 60 seconds, or I want a fire alarm to go off in the middle of the scene, anything like that. You can just add that to the prompt, and it's going to add that to the middle of your story for you. And we can see we've got about a minute-long script here that we can practice. We can get into character, and what a great tool to practice with. Number 2, warm-up routines and tongue twisters. Now, just like your personal trainer, ChatGPT can create a warm-up routine for you with any sort of parameters, tongue twisters, exercises that you'd like for it to include. Now, it can't motivate you though, so that's gonna take a little effort on your own part. I'm a voice actor. Create a 5-day vocal warm-up routine that focuses on vocal health. Make sure to include some daily tongue twisters to practice. As a voice actor, it's important to prioritize your health and maintain a strong, flexible voice. Here's a 5-day vocal warm-up routine that focuses on vocal health, along with daily tongue twisters to practice. So you can see it's broken this down by day. This is fantastic. So day 1, for instance, start with deep breathing exercises to expand your lung capacity. Perform lip trills or motorboat sounds to warm up your lips, tongue, and facial muscles. Practice humming exercises to develop resonance and control. Tongue twister, unique New York. You know you need unique New York. I've never heard that middle part. Unique New York, you know you need to do. That's tough. Okay. Day 2, range flexibility. Day 3, articulation and diction. Day 4, stamina and projection. Day 5, relaxation and vocal maintenance. And what I like is it sometimes includes a little blurb at the bottom too with some additional tips. So remember, it's essential to listen to your body, adjust the intensity of your warm-up routine accordingly, stay hydrated and avoid straining your voice, etc., etc. Now remember, you can be as specific as you'd like. So if there's a warm-up that you really enjoy, you can ask it to include it or create iterations based on it. Tip number 3 is script analysis. So you can ask ChatGPT to summarize a script, and it'll basically give you the key points, the target audience, and give you suggestions on ways to approach the read. So I'm going to take a script here from voices.com's sample script library, and I'm going to paste this into the prompt here. So what I'm saying is, analyze this script, give me the key points, the target audience, and which type of narrator would be best to deliver this message. And then in quotes, I'm putting the script, and go ahead and press generate. And you can see it's got a breakdown here of the key points. Opportunities are emerging in markets worldwide that were previously unimaginable. Users can access the app using their Cardinal Capital card information. So it's got the company name and all the details there as well. The target audience appears to be individuals who are interested in global investment opportunities and are seeking reliable and convenient platform to manage their investments. So that's pretty accurate based on the script. And it's even nailed the type of narrator. So this script calls for a confident and authoritative narrator who can effectively communicate the benefits of Redbird app and Cardinal Capital's global investment services. So this is really great. This is such a useful tip to, especially with really, really long scripts, to kind of go through and just say, okay, what's the Coles notes of this? What do I really need to pay attention to? And this is going to break that down for you. Okay, tip number 4 is demo scripts. Now, if you're a voice actor, you have to have a demo, and sometimes it can be really tough to find stuff that you can use within your demo that is royalty-free and isn't going to be any sort of copyright infringement. Now, on the Voices platform, we have dozens of sample scripts. I'm going to link those down below. These are totally free for you to use. They're 100% copyright and royalty-free, so you can use them in your demos. You can upload them to your website, whatever you'd like to do with them. They are yours to use. But let's go ahead and see if ChatGPT can create us a script. I'm going to say create a short 30-second advertisement voiceover script for a fictitious tech product. Make the language conversational and friendly. Background music fades in. Introducing the revolutionary tech companion you've been waiting for. Meet TechMate. Imagine having a friendly, relatable assistant that simplifies your digital life. With TechMate, you can conquer any tech challenge with ease. Yeah, so this is kind of the issue with ChatGPT scripts. I tried one earlier that was like, the prompt was a fictitious cleaning product that will help me clean my house or something like that. And it came up with a product called like Help Clean. And it was, this product will help you clean, but it didn't ever say how it was gonna help me clean. It was just like, it's gonna help you clean your house. So that is kind of the challenge with ChatGPT, is you do have to be quite specific with your prompts in order to get the right results that you're looking for. But of course you can see it's kind of blocked out the right format here. They've got the introduction, they set up the problem, they've got the body, and then even at the end they have CTA. So why wait? Say goodbye to tech troubles with the TechMate. But you can actually jump in here and say, create me 5 different CTAs. And just like that, we have 5 different CTAs that we can use if we didn't like the original one. Say goodbye to tech headaches and hello to peace of mind. Don't wait, try TechMate. So it's pretty cool that just like that, you can change these up really, really quickly and practice different CTAs. So it can definitely be a useful tool, especially for practicing. All this said, I definitely recommend our scripts on the blog. They're a lot better. They're definitely really good. You should check them out. And finally, you can utilize ChatGPT to create yourself a branding and content calendar. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste in here, create a 7-day Instagram content calendar for a voice actor with photo ideas and SEO tags to increase awareness. This is such a great tool if you're really stumped on what to do next, or you're just thinking, I just need to think of a post every day. This is gonna be such a great useful tool for you. Like photo idea, a behind the scenes shot of a voice actor recording in the studio, SEO tags, voice actor life, recording studio behind the scenes, voiceover artist. So it's just giving you little tools that you can use every day, takes the guesswork out of it. And just like the earlier prompts, you can be as specific as you would like with these. You can have it do something that's a little bit more professional for something like LinkedIn, or a little bit more fun and friendly for something like Facebook, for instance. You can also have it reference your website or your blog to learn the way that you write so that it can learn your voice, and then basically create these captions for you within your own voice, which is really cool. Now, one last thing that I want to share with you before we end today's video, and I think this is just so cool and really awesome to see. When I was creating this video, I typed into ChatGPT, how can a voice actor utilize ChatGPT? I thought this is going to give me a really cool framework to start with. And the statement that it ended with is exceptional, and I want to read it for you. It's important to note that while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for voice actors, it should be used as an aid and not as a replacement for human interaction and intuition. The AI's responses should be considered as prompts for exploration rather than definitive answers. Ultimately, it's the voice actor's creativity, talent, and interpretation that bring characters to life. How sweet is that? That's great. I got to end with that. As always, happy auditioning. We'll see you guys in the next one.